Hello YouTubes. On the last video, I was rejoicing at the prospect of the end of winter. I may have been a little bit premature. Whoops. Today I have a little side project planned. Well, when I say planned, I mean I have a rough idea. Let me show you. If you've been paying attention, you'll know that I'm utilising my welding cart for my plasma cutter and my Mig Welder, which means my trusty Lincoln is without a home. So I'm going to be using this old steel tube, steel rod, some angle iron, and $10 worth of casters. I really splashed out on this one. I'm going to combine them all to make a very nice welding cart that looks nothing like that one, but it should work. I suppose I should begin with some form of plan and basic design. So a bit of card, Sharpie, measuring device. Let's see what we can come up with. I'm going to base it loosely on the design of the one that I've already got. So the base will be roughly that shape. This section here will be housing the gas cylinder, which I don't have, but let's plan ahead in case I get one. So there will be a wheel there, there, and under there. From this point then, probably make square tubing base all the way around. And then we will have square tube coming up. One there, one there, one there, and of course, not there. One there. Then I'll probably use the angle iron at the top to make not exactly a tray because there's not anything to sit on, but with the angle iron, if this was on this side, then at least when the welder sits in there, it's not going to move left and right, forward and back. That was the plan for the angle iron. And to fill this space, I'll maybe just weld in some steel rods all the way along. Not really any point having a flat surface in there because it just collects dust and dirt and metal shavings from all the grinding that I do. And maybe do some form of shelving on the bottom area. Might even do a handle. And there will be another section of another section of steel rod at the back, which will loop around to hold the gas bottle in when I get one. That's the plan. Take some measurements and get started. Well, that's all my parts prepped. Now I just need to glue them all together. I will start with tacking them together on the floor, because at least I know the floor is flat. This table is not. Once they're tacked together, then I'll finish all the welding on the table. Let's go. Certainly strong enough. Right, let's see if my welder fits. Yeah, it really better fit. There is something else I need to add that I completely forgot about, but it's okay, I don't have to restart. Lovely. I'm glad I built it that sturdy, by the way, because it's a really heavy little welder. I don't know why it's quite so heavy. That Lincoln weighs as much, in fact more, than those two Yes Welders that I got. I guess it's a bit more heavy duty, and it is a 240. Oh, they're 240 as well. Anyway, I'm waffling. What did I forget to add? Let me show you. where we're going to put the wire. So I need a couple of hooks, one there, one at the other side, and obviously I've not added a handle yet, so I'll maybe just add a little handle as well and we will be done. I can add a shelf I'll later do. I just wanted this mobile, which it now is. Yeah, definitely need a hook. Job done. Most people would say job well done, but let's just settle for job done, right? And I will of course be giving it a lick of paint once I've finished adding all the bits and bobs. I do need to add a hook though before I finish tonight. But for now, that's it. Thanks for watching. I do have a fairly decent update coming on the Low Cost 7 project. Kevin was kind enough to drop by and give me some amazing advice, so I'm all fired up finally. And I've ordered some extremely exciting parts which should arrive on Wednesday. So tune back in for that. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.